Hi, I'm Jeff Kelly with Traction Tractor Excavation. Today we're going to go over what is hydroseeding. We've had a lot of customers ask us just exactly what's involved in the process. Today I'm going to show you. Hydroseeding is a planting process that uses a slurry of seed. Seed starter, mulch, fertilizer, tackifier, and water. It's typically always sprayed onto the soil using a high pressure hose and a tank. It provides even seed distribution with good soil contact, which improves the germination process of the seed. It's faster and cheaper than laying sod. It's especially great for large areas. The mulch in the mix, this right here, the wood mulch, this is a dry form of it. What it does, it helps retain moisture and prevents erosion from hard rains like what we just had. It often is used for large lawns, roadsides, hillsides, and commercial properties. It can include tackifiers, which is what we have right here. It's just a white gel that when you mix it in with the process, it tackifies it and helps glue this together to the ground. It sticks on slopes and bare areas. You can typically get visible proof of hydroseed in the grass sprouting out of the ground within 7 to 14 days. But it depends on some conditions like proper watering, the proper soil preparation, things like that. The other thing that makes hydroseeding so great and special is that you can customize different areas of your lawn. If you have a shaded area, you can use one grass seed. If you have a full sun area, you can use other grass seeds. You can plant cool grass weather seeds. You can plant hot weather seed. It's just totally customizable, and it makes everything more versatile when you're doing a new construction, a rebuild, or something like that. The benefits of hydroseeding is that it's very cost effective. It's typically 50 to 60% cheaper than what sod would be, including the installation. When you're dealing with hydroseeding, the great thing about it is the work is already done for you. You don't have to go out there and put down sod with your fingers or have somebody bring in a machine to lay it down. It's all done for you in one application. And the great thing about that is there's no seams in it. When you have sod, anybody that's ever sodded property, you will notice, unless you come behind it with a roller to pack down all those little seams where those pieces of sod butt together, you're going to have a bumpy ride when you go mowing. So in my opinion, hydroseeding is the way to go because it's seamless. You have no issues with that. You can have custom seed blends. You can select grass types tailored to your soil or your climate or your sunlight conditions. It provides a stronger root system because the grass grows in place. It's not imported in from 30 miles down the road or 100 miles down the road. So it grows a healthier root system. It develops a deeper root system for long-term health. It's better for uneven and sloped areas. The slurry sticks well to the slopes, and it makes an ideal erosion control. Even coverage, spray application allows for uniform distribution of the seed. The moisture retention, the mulch and the hydroseed retains the moisture, and it helps with faster germination. Now, I've got together here just a little bit. I batch up everything because, to me, if you don't have a standard operating procedure and the formulas for what you're going to be putting down on somebody's lawn, it's just a recipe for disaster. I know of some folks that guess when they go out. I don't do that. You'll see writing on all my containers detailing exactly what's going into that batch. I know that I'm going to take so much tackifier and put it in a batch. I know that I'm going to use so much Apex 10 in a batch. This is a seed starter. It helps that seed to get started germinating. I know exactly how much grass seed to put in it. This is a whole Bermuda that I use during the summertime. And I know exactly how much goes into a 2,500 square foot batch. I know exactly how much wood mulch goes in there, and if we're using paper on a flat area, sometimes a customer may want that. We can blend these. If you've got a semi-slope, you can put 3 bales of wood in to 1 bale of paper, give you 200 pounds per 2,500 square feet. There's a lot of different variabilities, and it all comes with experience and how you're doing it. And I can tell you right now that Traction Tractor Excavation, we have that experience. And if you have any questions on hydroseeding, feel free to call us at 479-857-9535. We provide free bids. We will educate you, and we will help walk you through every step of the process when we go out to hydroseed your property. There will be some videos attached in my bio, so if you will subscribe to and like this page, then you will be able to go in and look at all those videos that you want. I would really appreciate it. It helps my page grow, because it's all about education. I want people to learn about what I do, what my company does, and how we're successful, because our goal is to be the number one person in everything that we do. We don't like being second best to anybody. So it is our goal, and we really, really work hard to make sure that you're getting the best quality for the best value. So that's what hydroseeding is. Check out these other links. There's some where we show that we're actually doing the hydroseeding. There's some where we show the results of hydroseeding and exactly what happens with that. But God bless you, and I hope you're having a great day.